Welcome to the DIY series of brainstorming activities which are very helpful for your child. Our today's activity is based on logical thinking. Let's see what materials do we require to prepare this activity.
The material required for this activity is an old cardboard box, I had this at home, a drawing sheet, some keys cut out in different shapes, few ice cream sticks, a marker and some crayons. The first step is that you have to place the keys on the drawing sheet and trace the outline of all the keys. After tracing all the keys, the paper will look like this. Then you can make your kids color all the keys in different colors. Once you have colored the keys, it will look like this. The next step is, with the help of a scissor, you can pierce holes on each keys. And you can insert ice cream sticks here. Once all the ice cream sticks have been inserted in the holes, the child has to pick up any key, match it to the right key, and complete this activity.
I hope you have enjoyed watching our DIY series and do try it at home with your kids. See you in our next series.